So guys, you all are welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how Governor Otti is interested in recovering our stolen money from the past government. I hope you've watched the first video that I released. If you've not, please do well to watch the video so you understand what the video is talking about. So here is the continuation of the video. So guys, in the previous video I told you guys about how Ipazu embezzled the whole sum of 14.15 billion naira bailout funds that he said he was going to use and settle outstanding salaries and pensions in Abia State, which he didn't do. So now my question is, what did he do with the 14.15 billion naira? It's a huge sum. So what did he do with the money? After receiving the first tranche of the Paris Club refund of 22 billion naira, Ipazu had this to say at a grand civic reception by the Ohanze Ishiahia community in Obingwa local government area in January 2017. He said, "I am here to let you know that no kobo from the funds will be unaccounted for. And in line with this commitment to make my promise, I want to announce to you that this government will begin the payment of Abia staff salaries through individual checks to ensure that ghost workers are checked." That was what he said in 2017. Oh, I assure you that the 50% of the Paris Club refund must be used to pay salaries in line with the instruction of the federal government. So guys, neither salaries nor pensions were paid till today. Ipazu is yet to account for what he did with the Paris Club refund, as he left humongous liabilities, including 7 months salary arrears to doctors and other staffs of Abia State University Teaching Hospital, Absolute Aba, before Governor Otti took over. The doctors only called off their 4 months of strike action after Governor Otti intervened shortly before his inauguration. If Ipazu could owe staffs of such a sensitive institution 7 months salaries arrears, one could imagine what will happen to other institutions. Of course, some are owed up to 30 months. Just a few days ago, Ipazu's former commissioner for finance, Mr. Obi, in one of his articles on this issue of pension, wrote this: "I must admit that we owed pension arrears of about 10 months before the 2019 election. However, under my watch, we never paid half of the pension. In fact, he said we never paid half pension. We still seek to know why, with the enhanced allocation as witnessed from August 2019, the state resorted to paying half pension." The question is, if Ipazu, who borrowed billions from a commercial bank, collected 14.15 billion bailout fund and 22 billion Paris Club refund, ecological fund, and internally generated revenue, could be owing 10 months pension arrears as early as 2019, does it not imply that these funds were looted and that Ipazu and his abusive and rebel-rousing aides are the real liars? So guys, Ipazu and his spokesperson looked so pathetic as they struggled to define the little man. So let me help you define it properly. The little man is the little mind former governor who appeared on national television and boasted that his government used to give every Abia pregnant woman the sum of 500 naira. Imagine 500 naira on delivery, to shock and disbelief of his interviewer. Who is that guy again? Mope Ogun Yusuf of Channels Television. The little man is the little mind former governor who appeared on national television to boast that the foreign investments he attracted to Abia State includes Chicken Republic and Domino Pizza. That was what he brought to Abia State. Little man indeed. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please do well to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Do well to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. See you guys in the next video.